So in my previous two mains, I used to have a very conventional approach, as in I would finish all the case studies first.
You've gotten a great 129 in ethics this year. How do you think have the trends evolved in ethics and how did you manage to get around them?
Okay, so if I can give a timeline, so to say, the first time I cleared in 2020 exam, so that time, even though I had a rank, a decent rank, my score in GS4, especially talking about ethics, was just about 90. So then in my 2022 attempt, although I couldn't clear mains as a whole, but the marks considerably improved to about 108, which is not very good, but it is still decent. It is a three-digit figure. This time around, at the very outset, I would like to thank you because I remember speaking to you about 1 week before the actual mains, and some last-minute tips that you gave me really helped. The most important of them being the way to approach the exam. So, in my previous two mains, I used to have a very conventional approach, as in I would finish all the case studies first and then have just about 1 hour or at the max 70 to 80 minutes to finish section A. And we all know that, everyone can write a decent case study. So the catch really is in writing above average section A answers. So you were the one who had told me that, Shobhika, finish first three case studies and then quickly jump to section A, finish all of section A, and then come back to the remaining three case studies. So I think this is what I did essentially different this time. And I owe my whatever the jump, the increase in marks to this alone.